we are. The front view, big, deep boat RV parking. There's 3-car garage. We're taking photos today. It's not even on the market yet. I want to give you a sneak peek of this home before we go live. See the ramps off to the side, nice desert landscaping. Nice ramp, 100% ADA compliant. There's a front door. There's a camera so you can communicate with who's at your front door, and there's a button you could hit to open the door for you if you can't reach it. Come on, let's go take a look. Okay, so we're just wrapping up our pictures now. Let me take a walk through here with you. Nice tall cathedral ceilings. This is the formal dining room. That's a formal living. Easy access for a wheelchair coming in. There's our 4th bedroom / office den. Well, you got the high-powered cameras, all angles of the house. You can see who's coming, who's going. You can even open the door for somebody if you need it. Coming in, nice open family room. Got your fireplace. You got a breakfast nook. Kitchen's been remodeled. Beautiful countertops, cabinets. That's nice. That's a pantry in the back there. Just getting ready to go live on the market here in a couple days. Anyways, about 2,400 square feet. Solar. Power bill is about $20 a month with a pool, jacuzzi. I'm on the market at $616. All right. Looking pool. Okay, here we are in the primary bedroom. Easy access to the pool. That's your ramp. Everybody's got a plantation shutter with a bay window. You circle around and give you a good perspective. Nice tall cathedral ceilings. And then the bathroom is just something else. Nice roll-in shower. No threshold at all. Just glide right in. Same thing with the closets. Dual walk-ins. Roll-in closets. Got your special tub there. Let's take a look. Take a swing around. Got your dual sinks. This is specific if you have a wheelchair. Easy access to get around, get underneath it. Nice little primary with, again, double doors, easy to walk in and out. Yeah, we're just not even on the market yet. We're still trying to get it looking nice. Here's one of the bedrooms, nice tall ceiling. Oh, big ceiling here. I mean, you got your laundry, plenty of storage. Okay, from the outside, we're standing underneath the covered patio. Nice little area. Put in some grass for the doggies to make them feel right at home. Nice, pretty landscaping. I wish you could smell that from here. It smells just wonderful. Covered patio goes to the length of the home. We step out on this big open area for, gosh, you can put whatever you want here. Plenty of room. Ceramic pool, easy to clean. There's all your solar. This is what giving you a $20 a month power bill right there. Comes with the property. And then the door to the right is entrance into the primary bedroom. And you notice there's a ramp there, easy for your wheelchair access in and out. Take a look at this pool. And your deep RV parking with all your pool equipment. Doing some last minute touch-up cleaning, make it look nice. Everybody is here today making it look ready for you. Taking our photographs, getting it polished. No one has seen this, not even on the market yet. Now, it does have a fence to go around it. We took it off, just thought it would mark it better. But there is a fence for if you have little ones. that you want to keep them safe, you can assemble it back for you, and it is available. What a great backyard. Please hit the subscribe button, and I promise anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.